Principal, Government Higher Secondary School, Butal, Shri Rajesh Kumar ji, esteemed faculty members, assembly level master trainers, Shri Abdul Razak Sahab, and Shri Zafar Rathar Sahab, other deeply revered colleagues and dear students. Good morning to all of you. As you may be aware that these are election times, the Election Commission of India has recently announced the general elections to J&K Assembly, J&K Legislative Assembly. This very election is to be conducted in 3 phases. Are you getting me? Yes. This general election to J&K Assembly is to be conducted in 3 phases. The first phase will be held on 18th of this month, 18th of September. Second phase is on 25th of September, and the final phase on 1st of October. The results will be announced on 8th of October. Our assembly constituency, that is Butal Assembly constituency, is going to polls in the second phase on 25th of September. Dear students, it is high time for us to discuss the importance of elections and electoral participation. Election impacts each and every one of us, though we may not realize it now. Elections give us an opportunity to choose our leader, to elect our leaders. These leaders make decisions on our behalf. They formulate policies for us. So, it becomes important to choose leaders wisely. For that, we have to vote and vote wisely. If you vote wisely, you can have your say in each and every policy matter. You can get your voice heard, you can make your voice heard by choosing, by electing those leaders who can understand your problem, who can address your issues, who can lend their ears to your problems. As I can see, most of you are under 18. Is there anyone who is above 18? 18 is minimum age to be eligible for voting. So, all of you are above or below 18. So, you may be thinking, what is fun of these lectures? We are not eligible to vote. We are under 18. Then what is point of lecturing us? हमें क्यों बिठाया गया अंदर भाई? जब हमारा वोट नहीं है, सो हमें यहाँ बिठाने का फन क्या बनता है? Well, let me tell you one thing. Even if you are not eligible to vote now, you will soon be. You are future voters, and when that day comes, we want you to be ready. Until then, you have a role to play. Until then, your role is to spread voter awareness. Until then, your role is to educate others regarding importance of vote in a democratic setup. Am I clear? Are you getting me? Okay. So, you should spread voter awareness wherever you go. You should act act like ambassador of electoral education, electoral knowledge. Start from your home, then move to your locality, then to your village. Educate all around you. Ask them to vote for peace and prosperity. Ask them to vote for your better future. Ask them to vote for development of nation. Ask them to vote for progress of nation. And most importantly, ask them to vote in the first place. पहले कोई बोला भाई वोट देना है, फिर ये सेकेंडरी इशू है कि उनको वोट किसको देना है, उसके पैरामीटर्स बताने हैं। पहले आपने उनको मोटिवेट करना है so that they come out of their homes on poll day and exercise their voting rights. ठीक है भाई? So you have to motivate others, you have to encourage others. Each one of you who is sitting in this hall represents a family. ठीक है? He is an ambassador of a family. He represents a family, a locality, a village, a friend circle. Go to your family. Go to your locality. Go to your friend circle.